Surface Dial offers quick access to the features in the app. In the Animation Desk, you can use Dial for zooming the canvas, switching between the brushes, changing colors, and flipping between frames. Surface Dial is activated by rotating and clicking the dial. Make sure you have paired Surface Dial with your tablet. Rotate the dial and stop at the zooming feature. Press and rotate the dial again to zoom in and out of the canvas. Switch to the brush function. Click the dial to switch between the brush and opacity settings. Once settled, rotate the dial to change the value. You can also switch the color function or frame function. Rotate the dial to change the value.